Hello YouTube. Today I got some good news. So yeah, whoever says first in one of my videos, they get a shout out, and it'll leave a pop-up in my videos. Like if you're watching my video, like say this video right now, I'll edit it and it'll pop up and it'll say subscribe to him, favorite all his videos, like his videos, or you can, yeah. So, yeah, it'll just pop up in my videos. The person that's the first commenter, they don't get a win. But if it's the first commenter, they don't get a win. But this is what I mean. If it doesn't matter what commenter you are. It doesn't matter if you're the first commenter, but it does matter if you say 1ST first. So, yeah. Do you know what I mean? First. The first commenter, let's say, if the first commenter says 1ST, which is first, then they will win. But if it's still a first commenter, it doesn't matter. But if it's the first commenter and they say first, then they I don't know, I'll leave a link and stuff on my videos and say subscribe to them, favorite all their videos, like their videos, and yeah, so the person that says first and the first commenter, they get some really lucky. But it doesn't matter if someone comments the first, if it's the first commenter and let's say they say something different like hi or hey, I subscribed or something like that. Well, then they don't win. You have to say first, and you can't say anything else. You just say first. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. Blaze 1197369 out.